What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be making some jerk marinade, and I couldn't do a jerk marinade video and not do some jerk pork, so I'm going to be preparing some jerk pork belly. With that being said, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, what are you doing? Click the subscribe button and become a part of the greedy gang. Also click the bell so that you can be notified every time I post. Now that you have done that, let's get into the video. To make the marinade, I'm going to start by grinding some pimento berries. I want them to be in powder form so that the flavor of the pimento can be better infused into the meat. Now I'm adding about 18 to 20 whole Scotch bonnet pepper to the food processor. Then I'm going to add the powdered pimento berries, 4 cups of white vinegar, but I'll add the vinegar gradually as I blend the spices. I'm adding lots of thyme and some ginger, and then I'm going to give that a blend. And as you can see, I'm adding the spices gradually because I want to ensure that every ingredient gets a chance to break down properly and combine. So now I'm going to add some garlic, which is a whole head of garlic, and then I'm going to add half an onion, regular white onion that is, and then I'm going to go ahead and add some chopped green onions, otherwise known as scallion, and then I'm going to pause it for a little bit and then go ahead and add some more vinegar to the mix. I'm looking at the texture of the marinade and I'm not satisfied with the consistency, so I'm going to pour the marinade into the blender and try to blend it out a little smoother. The recipe is in the description and it yields 2.1 liters, so remember to check it out in the description bar that's below. And you can store the rest of the marinade and use it on any meat or veggies that you like. I added oil to help the dry rub to stick to the meat, and in the dry rub I mixed together paprika, celery powder, brown sugar, onion powder, dry mustard, some salt, some all-purpose seasoning, and half cup of pimento berries. The dry rub is the first level of flavor, and when you add the wet marinade to it, it just complements and completes the jerk flavor profile. I'm going to add the wet marinade and continue to massage it into the meat, then place the pork into a Ziploc bag and put it in the fridge for 24 hours. One thing to note is that when you make your jerk marinade, it's in the fridge for weeks, the flavors intensify so much that every time you use it, the flavor just gets better and better. Okay, so I'm cutting the pork belly in half, and I'm going to roast one half in the oven for about 30 minutes and then finish it off on the grill. And then the other half, I'm just going to go straight to the grill with it and jerk it for the entire time. Also, if you don't have the option to grill your meat, then you could just roast the meat in the oven and then broil it in the end for extra 5 minutes, and it will definitely get the jerk vibe in terms of the color and taste. So now that I have one piece of the pork belly in the oven, I'm going to go ahead and add the second half to the grill, and we're going to cook this off for about 40 minutes and turning it every 10 minutes just to ensure that both sides of the meat is cooked through properly. After the 30 minutes is up for the piece I have in the oven, then I'm going to put it on the grill for an additional 10 minutes just to give the pork a little bit more of a smoky, grill vibe. I really hope you guys enjoy this one. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends and family so they can see what your girl Greedy Girl Ann is cooking up over here. See you in the next video. Bye.